cars because we have tight radius curves.
Yeah. Oh, that would have been a
And we
disaster.
have turnouts not thrown properly.
These cars are fine. This is so cool. Thank you so much, sir. Excuse me.
I don't know. It's hard to tell because we've got such large buildings. We ran out of good, but I don't know what the final numbers are. Yesterday we had at least 500 people. Last year, Sunday just barely.
Will it make it around this curve? Will it? Will it? It will. And now we are going to do the loop-de-loop. And we're back.
No, it's 160.
Really, thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. You ready? We're going to open it up.
We're gonna open what up?
Throttle.
Okay. Whee! This is about an express train speed.
It is.
So in scale, it'd be like what, 160 miles an hour?
We're probably doing 100, 120.
Jesus, this is like a bullet train at this point. A freight train going at bullet train speeds. Oh crap, it's going underneath the tunnel.